Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing 5 best robot vacuums, carefully selected based on research and testing for various needs. Whether you're seeking affordability, performance, or specific features, I've categorized the products to suit different buyer preferences. Check the description for up-to-date prices and details. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's dive in. Starting with number 5 on our list. Number 5. Roborock Qrevo S Robot Vacuum and Mop. The Roborock Qrevo S redefines home cleaning with its powerful 7,000 Pascal suction, dual spinning mops, and AI-driven smart navigation. Designed for effortless maintenance, this robot vacuum and mop combo tackles dust, pet hair, and stubborn messes on carpet, tile, marble, and hardwood floors with precision and efficiency. Featuring an advanced docking station, the Qrevo S offers auto mop washing, self-emptying, self-refilling, and self-drying, eliminating manual upkeep for up to 7 weeks. Its 10mm auto mop lifting seamlessly transitions between vacuuming carpets and mopping floors, preventing cross-contamination and leaving your home spotless. Equipped with reactive tech obstacle avoidance and precise sense LiDAR navigation, the Qrevo S detects hazards, maps your home in 3D, and customizes cleaning routes for optimal efficiency. Control every aspect of your cleaning experience with app integration, featuring multi-floor mapping, no-go zones, scheduling, and variable suction control. Compatible with Alexa and voice control, it ensures hands-free operation for convenient and intelligent cleaning. With 30 adjustable water flow levels and dynamic dual-spinning mops at 200 RPM, it effortlessly removes spills, dirt, and dried-on messes. Whether handling daily maintenance or deep cleaning, the Roborock Qrevo S delivers an unparalleled, hassle-free cleaning experience, making it the ultimate smart home upgrade. Number 4. Eufy X10 Pro Omni Robot Vacuum and Mop. The Eufy X10 Pro Omni takes smart home cleaning to the next level with an all-in-one self-maintaining station, 8,000 Pascal suction, and AI-driven precision navigation. Designed for hands-free convenience, this robot vacuum and mop combo delivers deep cleaning power while requiring minimal effort on your part. Its advanced docking station handles auto mop washing, self-emptying, and heated air drying at 113 degrees Fahrenheit 45 degrees Celsius, ensuring fresh and hygienic cleaning every time. The 2.5L dust bag only needs replacing every 2 months, and the 3L clean water tank allows for multiple mopping sessions on large surfaces up to 2,000 square feet. Equipped with MopMaster 2.0 technology, the X10 Pro Omni applies gentle pressure on hardwood floors while automatically lifting 12mm on carpets, ensuring a spotless finish without cross-contamination. The auto-detangling roller brush eliminates hair buildup, reducing the need for manual cleaning. With AI, smart cleaning, the X10 Pro Omni recognizes and avoids over 100 household objects from wires to shoes, even in low-light conditions. The iPath laser navigation and AI Map 3.0 technology create efficient cleaning routes, allowing you to set no-go zones, virtual boundaries, and custom cleaning preferences via the app. Designed for hard floors, carpet, wood, and tile, this high-performance robotic cleaner is voice-compatible and supports app, remote, and button control. Experience effortless, customizable cleaning with the Eufy X10 Pro Omni, the ultimate AI-powered floor care solution. Number 3. Tikom L8000 Pro Robot Vacuum and Mop. The Tikom L8000 Pro is the ultimate 2-in-1 smart vacuum and mop designed to keep your home spotless with precision navigation and powerful suction. Equipped with advanced LiDAR mapping, this robotic cleaner quickly scans and saves up to 5 floor plans, making it ideal for multi-level homes. With an impressive 5,000 Pascal suction power, the L8000 Pro effortlessly removes pet hair, dust, and debris from carpets and hard floors. It automatically boosts to max suction when detecting carpets, ensuring a deep clean every time. The integrated mop system features 3 adjustable water levels, allowing for customized mopping that leaves your floors sparkling without oversaturation. Enjoy convenient app control with options to set custom suction and water levels, create no-go zones and virtual walls, and schedule cleanings from anywhere. The quiet operation at just 45 dB ensures it won't disturb pets or family members, while the Do Not Disturb mode keeps your nights peaceful. With a 150-minute runtime, this robot vacuum and mop combo covers large areas with ease. When the battery runs low, it automatically returns to its charging dock and resumes cleaning from where it left off. Compatible with Alexa and Google Home, the Tikom L8000 Pro offers seamless voice control, making home cleaning truly effortless. Number 2. Roborock Qrevo Robot Vacuum and Mop. The Roborock Qrevo Curv is a powerhouse of cleaning innovation, offering next-level automation, extreme suction power, and precision navigation. Engineered with an 18,500 pascals Hyperforce motor, this robot vacuum delivers deep cleaning on carpets, hard floors, and tiles, ensuring no dust, pet hair, or debris is left behind. Designed for hassle-free maintenance, the Duo Divide main brush and FlexiArm Arc Side brush eliminate hair tangles, making it ideal for homes with pets. FlexiArm technology ensures thorough edge and corner cleaning, so no spot is overlooked. The AdaptiLift chassis allows smooth transitions across different surfaces and even climbs thresholds up to 4 centimeters. Enjoy true hands-free cleaning with the multifunctional dock 3.0, featuring 167 degrees Fahrenheit hot water mop washing, intelligent dirt detection for remopping, self-drying, self-refilling, and automatic dust emptying for up to 7 weeks of maintenance-free use. Navigate seamlessly with reactive AI, obstacle recognition, precise sense LiDAR mapping, and real-time structured light detection. The Hello Rocky voice assistant lets you start a cleaning session without lifting a finger, providing offline voice control when Wi-Fi isn't available. Number 1. Mova S10 Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop. The Mova S10 Plus redefines home cleaning with powerful 7,000 pascal suction, intelligent carpet detection, and hands-free automation. Equipped with Dual Boost 2.0 auto-emptying, it stores up to 90 days of dust in its 4L dust bag, minimizing maintenance and ensuring an always clean home. With smart carpet cleaning, the S10 Plus automatically detects dust levels and adjusts suction for deep, efficient cleaning. Its Vibro Turbo mopping system features 7mm liftable mops, protecting carpets from moisture while delivering a spotless finish on hard floors. The precise mapping and smart navigation system, powered by 3D Adapt Obstacle Avoidance, creates detailed maps for swift, safe, and obstacle-free cleaning. Control your cleaning experience effortlessly with voice commands via Alexa, Siri, or Google Home, or use the Mova app to customize cleaning modes, virtual boundaries, and no-mop zones across up to 4 floor maps. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.